Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Continue in the pop-up. Following that, select Photos or Folders at the bottom. And after locating your photos that you wish to delete, hold the chosen one. Now, to select all of them right away, click on those three dots at the top right corner and pick Select All at the top. In order to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, just click on the chosen ones. To get rid of the rest, click on this bin at the top right corner. And as you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!